Alright, here we go. We've got two chickens, two zombie chickens. It's going to be shotgun versus zombie chicken. First shot will be with the buckshot 12 gauge, and the second shot, to see if it is more effective, will be the slug shot, the 1 ounce slug. So here we go with the first shot. Alright, so one chicken down, get the 1 ounce buckshot. Alrighty then. Well, let's go ahead and compare them once I can hear it. Well, let's go ahead and compare them once I can hear it. The 1 ounce slug, the zombie chicken, has been destroyed by the 1 ounce shotgun slug.
Well, this one did get punched.
From the 12 gauge. Is it too close?
That one beat it, but...
Here we go. Yeah. Definitely killed it. Put it next to the other one. A little bit there. And I was actually further away on the 1 ounce slug shot. So there you have it. Empirical evidence. The slug is far more powerful of a weapon than the buckshot. One happy cattle.
A single shot slug. There's just the lead slug that's right there in the center, and that's going to be the projectile. Whereas that you see here, and this part opens up once the round is fired. So you're going to see